Lesson 6. Tux Paint. Sukaba, you have told us many times that a computer is used to draw and color. Yes, a computer is used to draw and color also. But till now you have not shown us how to do it. Sukaba, for this we need to learn about an app called Tux Paint. Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a free drawing and painting application for the young artists. It has a blank canvas and many drawing and coloring tools. We can draw and color different shapes, pictures, etc. This application is very easy to use and can be learned quickly. Starting Tux Paint. To start Tux Paint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Step 2. Locate the Tux Paint program in the Start menu. Step 3. Click on the Tux Paint full screen. The Tux Paint welcome screen will open. Parts of Tux Paint window. Toolbar. Help area. Drawing canvas. Colors palette. Scroll controls, selector, magic sizing. Let us learn about the main parts of the Tux Paint window. 1. Toolbar. It contains the tools related to drawing, painting, and other important activities. 2. Selector. It is used to select the features related to the selected tool. The contents of the selector change according to the tool selected in the toolbar. 3. Colors palette. It is used to select a color to be used in the drawing. 4. Drawing canvas. It is the main area used for making the drawing and coloring a drawing. 5. Scroll controls. These arrows are used to see other tool features shown in selector. 6. Magic sizing. It is used to increase or decrease the size of the brush, eraser, stamps, etc. This feature is not visible in many tools. 7. Help area. It shows the tips and details about the tools selected in the toolbar. The contents of the help area also keep on changing. Paint tool. The paint tool is used to draw freehand shapes or predefined shapes in Tux Paint. To use the paint tool, Step 1. Click on the paint tool. Step 2. Click on the brushes in the selector to select a pattern for the brush. Step 3. Select and click on a color for the drawing from the colors palette. Step 4. Click anywhere on the drawing canvas and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse to draw the shape. Shapes tool. The Shapes tool is used to draw closed shapes like a triangle, square, rectangle, circle, etc. The shapes can be filled or non-filled. To use the Shapes tool, Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool. Step 2. Click on the type of shape to be drawn from the selector to select a shape to be drawn. Step 3. Select and click on a color to be filled in the shape from the colors palette. Step 4. Click anywhere on the drawing canvas and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse to draw the shape. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to remove the unwanted part of the drawing from the canvas. To use the eraser tool, Step 1. Click on the eraser tool. Step 2. Click on the size and shape of the eraser to be used from the selector. Step 3. Click at the place where drawing is to be erased on the drawing canvas and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse to erase the unwanted part of the drawing. Lines tool. The Lines tool is used to draw straight lines on the drawing canvas. To use the Lines tool, Step 1. Click on the Lines tool. Step 2. Click on the brushes in the selector to select a pattern for the line. Step 3. Select and click on a color for the line from the Colors palette. Step 4. Click anywhere on the drawing canvas and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse to draw the straight line. Save tool. The Save tool is used to save the drawing. To use the Save tool, click on the Save tool in the toolbar. The drawing will be saved. Quit tool. The Quit tool is used to close Tux Paint. To use the Quit tool, Step 1. Click on the Quit tool. Step 2. We can click on the tick if we want to save the drawing before closing Tux Paint. We can click on the cross if we do not want to save the drawing before closing Tux Paint. Stamp tool. The Stamp tool is used to add images and pictures from the selector to the drawing. To use the Stamp tool, Step 1. Click on the Stamp tool. Step 2. Click on the left and right arrows in the selector to see different categories of shapes or images available in Tux Paint. Step 3. Click on the stamp or image to be added to the drawing. Step 4. Click on the magic sizing to increase or decrease the size of the image. Remember that we must select the size of the image before adding the selected image to the drawing. Step 5. Click anywhere on the drawing canvas to add the image to the Text tool. The Text tool is used to add some text to the drawing. To use the Text tool, Step 1. Click on the Text tool. Step 2. Click on the style and size of text from the selector. Step 3. Click on the bold letters to make the text bold or the italic to make the text italics. Step 4. Click anywhere on the drawing canvas and type the text on the drawing. Smart Connect. To increase or decrease the size of the text, click on the down arrow or up arrow icons in the selector. Remember that we must select the size and style of the text before adding text to the drawing. New tool. The New tool is used to create a new blank canvas for the drawing. To use the New tool, Step 1. Click on the New tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Select a background or color for the drawing canvas and double-click on it. Open tool. The Open tool is used to open an existing drawing. This means we can open a drawing which we have saved earlier and want to add more to that drawing using the Open tool. To use the Open tool, Step 1. Click on the Open tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Select a drawing to be opened and double-click on it. The existing drawing will open in the drawing canvas.